at the Pacific Ocean, looking at some amazing waves, and it's only 60 degrees in August. It's amazing out here. Some boats way off in the distance there. Right out here. The water is freezing cold, but it's nice. Not many people out on the beach. Out here in the state park. Some driftwood. Not too many creatures. I see there's sand crabs still. Occasionally see them bubbling up in the sand. Very similar to the East Coast, but a lot different. Sand is darker. It's a lot colder in summer. And not as many birds. Seaweed everywhere. Haven't seen any stingray eggs or anything like that out here. No horseshoe crabs. Haven't seen the whales jumping either. But those waves are huge. And of course, there's smoke and fog in the air from all the fires still burning out here in California. Definitely worth it. Just being on the beach again makes me feel 100 times better. Seaweed washing up here. Amazing. Woo! And my pants are soaked again. Almost need a jacket out here, it's so cool. Found a clam, or oyster. It's more like a mussel. We got a shell. Pants are falling down. Oh, here we go. Here's some wildlife remains. Got a sand crab, at least what is left of one. Birds have been out here eating good, apparently. Yeah, here's another part of a shell of a sand crab. Find all kinds of stuff out here. Nature is amazing. Oh my God. I have found part of somebody's shoe. It's really the first bit of trash that I've seen out here, though. They got some really cool algae out here too. Like this stuff is really awesome. But I'm not brave enough to try eating any of that. Not yet. Get a few drinks, maybe. It's probably not good for you at all. Alright. I'm probably getting ready to wrap this video up, it looks like. So we had a whole bunch of redundancy going on. Switch back up. Pretty good view out. Seagulls loving it up. Beautiful out here. I don't know when this video will finally get uploaded, but it's Saturday here. October 21st, 2021. All while I'm staying in Santa Rosa for a couple weeks, 12 weeks for work. This has definitely been the highlight so far. And only at the end of week 1. All right. Till the next video, goodbye everybody.